Jatend jotije sirkal Felix Koskei omako chung' ni jotije piny owacho ok bi medo osara machiegni ni nyaka ochumi mar Kenya bed motegno ka oloso romo ma okelo kanyakla apisas mag sirkal matwak ewi yore mag duoko piny kwan omenda ma itiyogo e pachoka ne chudo mag osara. Koskei owacho ni osuru ma ichoko e pachoka itiyogo ahinya e chero ochumi ma ok medo jotich osara. Koskei owacho ni winjruoge ma geto medo osara nyaka tim mana kokalo e lalruok gi tend aguch sirkal.
Australia practices.
The Constitution 2010 had envisioned a harmonized approach to the determination of salaries, allowances and benefits, hence the creation of the SRC. Regrettably, this has not been fully achieved, and several institutions continue to issue guidelines and to negotiate CPAs without adequate involvement and consultation with all the relevant stakeholders. This is a situation that we need to correct with urgency. And I'm happy that all the concerned players are gathered here in this room today.
Failure in executing any strategy is a leadership problem. It is not your young talent. I am sure they are yearning to be given the opportunity, but everything starts with us here in the room today. So that's why you're here, because you're the leadership. And your organizations will either fail or succeed because of all of us here as the leadership. So that's why you're here. We expect that you will set the tone, you will set the pace, you will start changing the mindset and get your organizations to think differently and to see possibilities rather than the problems and the challenges that we have today.